Hello everyone. Hello everyone. We have envelopes and both of these are from Simply Gilded. I've had both my January and February sub box. Well, I've had my January sub box for a while. I haven't had the wherewithal. Nope. I don't know why, I just haven't been able to open it. I think my brain is slowly coming to the realization that there is a slim chance that I have a lot of washi. A very slim, narrow chance. And because of it, my brain doesn't want to accept some of the beauty that's in here. However, with the February box, my brain has quickly overcome that narrow sliver of a thought that just rushed in, and I've quickly shown the door. So we're going to open both of these. I'm going to start with the January box. I'll spare you all the noise and everything, so see you in 1 second. Yo, can you see? Can you see these boxes? Simply Gilded. This is the January box, and it's the Sugar Collection. I mean, just look, ooh, the box. Box, the gold foiling, treat yourself. Yes, Sugar Collection, making quality confectionaries since 2015. And this is February. Masterpiece. She went to the Museum of Modern Art and was inspired, she being Irene, the founder, owner of Simply Gilded, and she was inspired by pieces of artwork. I said we're going to start with January. Let's do that. Look at how thick the box is. Ha! This box is worth it, y'all. This box is worth it. I don't have a lot of, what's it called? What is it called? I don't have a lot of subscriptions, but this one, I ended this last year for a couple of months, and I couldn't help it. I had to come back. I just had to come back. So because it's January, well, because the box is for January and it's old as you know what, I decided that I'm just going to show you guys everything. I don't know what the mystery item is. I'm also going to show you guys the mystery item for the February box. So just in case you don't want to see it, when I start with the February box, you might want to clock out of the video. I suspect that this is the mystery item for January because I haven't seen it anywhere. And it feels like something that has a face. So this is a fuzzy thingamajig. Oh, gorgeous. It's a keychain. Keychain, it's something. Ooh, I love this heart. So pretty. So pretty. Look at this. Like I said, it feels like it has a face, but I can't find any... Yeah, I don't know. It feels like I'm holding a little head. But it's pretty. It's a fuzzy ball. And, look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it. Okay, so that's the fuzzy ball thing. This is the 5mm add-on, and I'm going to open it right away. Yes, I'm going to be team open just for today. All right, beautiful. And this is the sticker book. Look at these. For your tiny sticker pages. Love it. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was that 5? Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll guess that's 20. And you can put stickers on either side. So you have 40 pages of stickers that can go in this sticker book. And this is this pretty, I think it's vegan leather from Aura Estelle. I think that's where it's from. Well, it's a vegan leather pouch. Yeah. Deluxe mystery item. Okay. And this pencil board. Ugh. Gorgeous. 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 And you have a B6 notebook as usual. B6 notebook. No need for too many words there. Journaling card. Life is sweet. Love it. Stickers! Yeah. If you thought I wasn't excited, now you know. I actually am. Stickers! These little stickers can fit in the sticker. I mean, just look at this. Just look at this. Ooh. Perfect sizing. Perfect sizing. You can just carry this and you'll look nice and sophisticated. No one would know that you're holding your stash of stickers in the pouch. Okay, icons. So those are gold foiled icons, the same as this pastel rainbow colored set. Lovely, 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 lovely. And you've got some full boxes, hearts, and 2 weekly kits. Well, you have enough stickers here to make 2 weekly kits, including your washi. Oh, I love this. Love, love, love. Love it. So these larger ones would fit in the December. I believe it's the December. Where is it? I think it was December. This is the December sticker book that we got. Right now I have pretty much all my sticker sheets so far in here. And then the little stickers would fit in this pouch. So this is great. You could have both of these and have all your Simply Gilded stickers with you. I think that is very, very cool. So I'm going to put that away on the other side. And then you have this. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so this wasn't the mystery item. This ribbon and puff keychain was on here. And oh, in case you didn't know, you can get $5 off your $15 Simply Gilded order if you hit my link in the description box. This is a pen, an engraved black gel ink pen. Beautiful. I love this color. It's a blush. It's not too pink. It's not too brown, but it's a nice pinkish brown. Some people would call it nude, but I mean, it's clearly not my nude or my shade of nude. And this lovely pouch. Ooh, this is a nice pouch. This is a nice pouch. Oh, I love it. And it's not the exact same color as the sticker book. So this is more of a brown. And these match the Blush Baby collection that came out also in January. I'm guessing this is the item. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe a patch? Maybe you would put it on a denim jacket? Ooh, that would be nice. That would be nice. And then you have these washi tapes. Ah, this looks like ice cream. I love it. Oh yes, this is the topping for the ice cream. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So this is all the washi. And then you have all these leather items. 3 leather items. And then you have stickers. And you have a journaling card. And you have a B6 notebook. And a pencil board. And a puff. All for the low, low price of 30... Is it 30 bucks? 25. Oh, I'm grandfathered in because I had this box last year. So 25 plus... Is it 25 plus 575 plus shipping and taxes? And I think the box has increased now to about 30 bucks. And then the 5mm add-on is about $5 or $5.75. It's a great value. You get all this stuff, all of it. It's a great, great, great value. All right, let's clear out and get ready to show February. Okay, masterpiece. Not exactly sure what the USPS was doing, but this refused to close. Anyway, I understand. It needed... Ooh, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. So like I said, if you do not want to see the mystery item, you might want to clock out now. I'm not sure exactly what the mystery item is. Oh, we have a Pentel Sparkle pen. These, I believe, are one of the pens that writes differently on black paper and white paper. Let's try. Yes, I have this Sparkle Pop Bold. This is from a pen test that I did for a different pen. Well, it's the same pen, but at a different time. Let's see if it is. Yep. So it writes differently on black paper than it does on white paper. On white paper, it looks purple. On black paper, it looks blue, and it's a metallic blue. So that's gorgeous. Y'all, can we take some time to, ooh, just, ooh, yes, pet the lovely vegan leather pouch. And it's so soft on the inside. Yes, let's take some time to appreciate the vegan leather. And look at all the stuff that I'm pouring out of it. Look at all the stuff that fit inside it and then is pouring out of it. So let's see. Let's start with that. Foiled journaling card. You possess the key to inner peace. Inner peace. I almost feel like there should be an actual P and a little jokey joke, but this is gorgeous. Ugh, this will be lovely right there. All right. So we have foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals. That's that. Sparkly bookmark charm, B6 stitched binding notebook, engraved black gel ink pen, vegan leather pouch, Sakura jelly roll pen, debossed pen cozy, and mystery item. So I'm guessing this is the mystery item. Oh, but look at all of this. Ooh, look at all of this. This is a masterpiece box. I'm so glad that this is in this color because, and now this is the, let me open it and show you all. This is the washi tape date header, and it's in the perforated washi, which means it does this. You can use it as a plain washi tape, or ta-da, it just takes off as a header, and it's foiled, and you have a space to, I think, either write your date, or you can put a sticker. I think she's eventually going to come out with stickers. And I want to see if that'll, well, it smudges, so probably we could probably use a Sharpie pen or one of those permanent marker pens. One of these washi is supposed to be embossed, and that's this one. So this is the regular set. You've got 3 15 inches and then 1 10, and then these are 2 5 millimeters, and then you have the 5 millimeter add-on. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. So this one is supposed to feel like sugar, if I recall correctly. A few people have gotten their boxes already and have shown them on social media. Ooh. Yes, it does have a texture to it. It doesn't feel like sugar. It's not as granular as granulated sugar. That's what I was thinking it would feel like, but that's not what it does feel like. Ooh. So you peel it up carefully. But it's got a beautiful texture to it. Oh, I don't know that I can describe it. Am I catching the sparkle? I think I need sunlight to actually catch the sparkle. Sunlight. But it is beautiful. Man, I would love to see this. Oh, it would look beautiful with, I can already imagine. I can already imagine what a spread this would look like. So I have 3 pens, y'all. 3 pens and a notebook. This is a beautiful notebook. And it's juniper at the back. Let's look at the stickers. Oh, this would be This would be so good with a lovely blue kit. I'm already thinking about one. We have icons and more icons. These are also heart icons. Let me show you. Yes. So these are also heart icons. And you get them in the different gradation of color right there. And this is one of the few silver kits that she's done. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Half boxes, full boxes, heart checklists, seals. And then you have Monday through Sunday, meeting appointment, a few boxes, and the functional section. And these are bow headers. Flags, some decor. This says laundry. Is that eat time? Laundry, bills, relax, something time. I'm not sure what that is. Beauty is everywhere. Art imitates life. This is, ooh, this is calming. So calming. So calming. Gorgeous. And then there's this bookmark. It's a magnetic, no, it's not magnetic. What is it? It is a sparkly bookmark charm. So it would fit in your planner. Let's get my Jibun Techo right there and put that inside. Is this the way it's supposed to fit? I'm not sure. I may have done it wrong. But anywho, this is a bookmark. Yep. Let's see. Let's do it this way. Okay. Anywho, this is how it is. This probably should go on this side, and the bow probably goes on the inside. But this is lovely. I mean, look at that. Look at it. Ooh, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. It's a double. We don't see too much of that these days. No, I'm kidding. But yes, I love everything in both boxes, and I'm so excited. My washi collection just grew. Let's see how these pens fit. Yes, gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, y'all. Bye-bye.